अरे वाई सो सीरियस? अरे टुडे तो यू कांट बी सीरियस एट ऑल, नॉट अलाउड। पूछो क्यों? क्योंकि आज के हमारे ब्लॉकबस्टर एपिसोड के हीरो हैं राहुल गांधी।
This morning, I got up at night.
अच्छी बात बोली, आपको अच्छी लगी तो ऐसे थोड़ा मार दीजिए हाथ, आप थोड़ा सा मार दीजिए।
राहुल गांधी जिन्होंने हमें ऐसे सिल्वर जुबली डायलॉग्स दिए हैं, समझ में नहीं आता कब मजाक कर रहे हैं, कब कपिल शर्मा को कंपटीशन दे रहे हैं, कब जेन्युइनली पॉलिटिक्स खेल रहे हैं। यू नो व्हाट, it's very difficult to listen to Rahul Gandhi and not snigger, even at the risk of looking insensitive. But why are we talking about Rahul Baba today? I'll tell you. Because he is the single most important factor in politics today. Shock laga na? Arey boss, NDA and BJP's biggest asset today is not Modi ji's 1 gazillion decibel oratory, or his 56-inch chest, or his clean image, or his RSS backing. The single biggest thing this lucky man Modi has going for him is this: the face of the opposition, and that is the tragedy of our democracy. मतलब रोनाल्डो तभी तो बना ना जब मुकाबला मेसी से हो। भाई तेंदुलकर तभी कहलाया जाएगा ना जब बॉल फेंकने वाला उस तरफ से या तो वकार या तो वसीम हो। लेकिन अगर आपका एडवर्सरी कच्ची मिट्टी कैटेगरी का हो, then you really don't need to be a super performer, na? And thus India is stuck with a lame and lower than mediocre opposition, therefore leading to a lame and lower than mediocre जुमला गवर्नेंस।
देखिए, ये जुमला है। किसी के अकाउंट में 15 लाख रुपया कभी नहीं जाता, वो उनको भी मालूम है और आपको भी मालूम है, देश की जनता को भी मालूम है। ये भाषण देने का एक तरीका है, एक जुमला है।
अब डिमोनेटाइजेशन को ले लो, ना भी लेना चाहो तो लेना पड़ेगा, विद बिजार रूल्स थ्रोन इन। इतनी गलतियां स्कीम इंप्लीमेंटेशन में कि खलमार्डी के कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स ने भी नहीं की होंगी ड्यूरिंग CWG गेम्स। इतने भद्दे होममेड रूल्स तो मैं भी बना लेता था जब मैं अपने ही बैट और बॉल के साथ गली क्रिकेट खेलने जाता था। अब भाई देखो, जिसकी बैटिंग आएगी सेकंड वो होगा मेरी टीम पे, और बैटिंग ना ट्रांसफरेबल है, इंटरनल एडजस्टमेंट कर लेंगे, और जो रन आउट नहीं हो रहा उसको मैं कभी भी रन आउट कर सकता हूं भाई। हाँ, इवन इफ दैट पर्सन इज नॉट रनिंग। माई गेम, माई बैट, माई रूल्स। अब देखो ना, in politics this is exactly what is happening. Political parties can deposit any amount of cash, black ho, white ho, no questions asked, and how many times you can go to the bank. But you and I, my dear friends, हम सिर्फ एक बार जा सकते हैं, और अगर आपके पास 6,000 रुपए भी हो, you will have to explain yourself to 2 bank officials. और इस हालात में भी राहुल बाबा manages to make a laughing stock of himself. खुद ही देखो।
Because I have information on the Prime Minister that is going to explode his balloon. He has destroyed millions of lives.
यार राहुल, कुछ है तो बोल दिया करो, और ना है तो रहने दो ना। वो याद है ना, द गुड, द बैड एंड द अगली वाला डायलॉग? पिक्चर देखते हो ना?
Now I find you in exactly the position that suits me. I had lots of time to learn how to shoot with my left.
When you have to shoot, don't talk.
अगर ये पिक्चर नहीं देखा तुमने तो वो कैरेक्टर था ना, मैंने प्यार किया।
साला काम पे लगा हुआ है, आप बोलो तो जेक में डाल के उठा डालता हूं, आप बोलो, बस एक बार बोलो, मार दूं। लेकिन होता कुछ नहीं था। That's the problem with Rahul Baba. In ordinary times, if a leader of his stature in the opposition had made an allegation against the Prime Minister of this level, it would have led to this. But when Rahul Gandhi made these shocking and stinging allegations, क्या हुआ? नहीं, राहुल जी,
You know, the problem today is that nobody takes Rahul Gandhi seriously, not even his own party members, and certainly not the opposition. And that's not a good thing for democracy, by the way, because the opposition plays a very vital role in governmental check and balance. And it's not as if the BJP tripped Rahul Gandhi, trapped Rahul Gandhi. It's like, you know, like Chatur in 3 Idiots. Rahul Gandhi just invites ridicule on himself with amazing amount of ease.
इन्होंने निरंतर इस कॉलेज में बलात्कार पे बलात्कार किया।
आपको क्या लगता है, महिलाओं को क्या लगता है? इज्जत की आपकी, भ्रष्टाचार किया, बलात्कार
कि एक इंसान अपने जीवन काल में इतनी बलात्कार कैसे कर सकता है?
प्रधानमंत्री यहां खड़े होते हैं, कहते हैं नारेगा जैसी बेकार योजना मैंने कभी नहीं देखी। नारेगा, मनरेगा, मनरेगा, महात्मा गांधी योजना।
धन होता सभी के पास है, सब छुपा के रखते हैं, देता कोई नहीं।
अगर आप महिला कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता के बात करें, पहली बार वो कह रहे हैं कि भाई मजा आया, और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूं।
So far from bursting the Modi balloon, Chatur Rahul then went ahead and met the Prime Minister as part of a delegation to discuss farmer loans. So what really happened to that revelation that he had promised? What was it that would have shaken up Narendra Modi and the system? No one knows, not even Rahul. So, what exactly is Rahul Gandhi doing in politics? It's clearly not his thing. Like, this guy and movies. And remember what Mama Sonia had to say to justify subjecting Rahul Gandhi on you and me.
The reason I'm asking you this is the one criticism that has always been made against Indira Gandhi. It's made against you. It's been made against the Gandhi family. It's promoting dynasty.
Just like in a family of doctors, in a family of professors, in a family of business people, one or the other within the family will choose the same path as the father, right?
Madam Ji, I'm sure that even this guy had to say the same about his son. But remember what we got? We got fucking Prem Agan. We got Fardeen Khan.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ जो आप सोच रहे हैं। ये तुम्हें बहुत जल्द पता चल जाएगा कि अन्नाडी कौन है। महलों में पलने वाले कमीने कुत्ते, तू मेरे बाप तक गया।
So no, not happening. That feudal mindset is what is wrong with India. This brazen acceptance of nepotism is shocking. So Rahul, you really are the Fardeen Khan of politics. You're not even Abhishek Bachchan, who's really sad. बट स्टिल इक्के तुक्के लग जाते हैं, एक दो फिल्में चल जाती हैं, लेकिन फरदीन, राहुल, यू आर फरदीन, सो नो मीन्स नो, गेट इट। स्टिल नॉट कन्विंस्ड? टेक अ लुक एट Rahul Gandhi's electoral performances. It looks like a train wreck, worse than the train wrecks you get in India. 2012, Rahul led the Congress's battle in UP, in Punjab, in Goa, in Gujarat. Massive defeats, all of them. Yet, January 2013, he's elevated to the post of Vice President of the Congress. Then, as a challenger to Narendra Modi in 2014, Congress performs its worst ever, reduced to a double digit of only 44. Congress, in the meantime, is very busy. Not only in the general elections, it's busy losing power in Andhra Pradesh, in Telangana, in Maharashtra, in Haryana, in Jharkhand, in Delhi, in Assam, in Kerala, and is badly mauled in every state where it goes to polls in 2014, 2015, and 2016. What do you say?
गुजरात को अगर किसी ने खड़ा किया है, गुजरात को किसी ने खड़ा किया है, गुजरात को अमूल दिया है, गुजरात को दूध दिया है, तो इस तरफ देखिए, इन महिलाओं ने दिया है, गुजरात की महिलाओं ने दिया है।
So, as an opposition voice, as a party campaigner, and as Congress leader, Rahul Gandhi fails the test miserably with flying colors. The saddest part? Rahul Gandhi knows exactly the answer and the solution to this miserable state of affairs. Something that he admitted to himself candidly in 2013, Chintan Shivir in Jaipur. But Rahul Gandhi failed to adhere to his own brilliant thought.
Every single day, I meet people who have tremendous understanding, deep insight, and no voice. And all of us meet them. They're everywhere. But almost always, they are kept outside our system. No one can hear their voice. No matter how much they try to speak, no one listens. And then I meet people holding high positions with tremendous voice, but with no understanding of the issues at hand. Why does this happen? Why does this happen? It happens because we don't respect knowledge. We respect position. And it doesn't matter how much wisdom you have. If you do not have a position, you mean nothing. This is the tragedy of India.
Tragedy of India indeed. The thing is, at least Fardeen had the good sense of leaving films. Hoping Rahul realizes that soon enough, because if you don't have the skill, the talent, or pure desire to make a mark in the room that you've chosen to enter, then get the fuck out. Because you're taking up space that somebody else could justify. And honestly, we need a better opposition leader. Until then, Rahul Baba, think about it. Why so non-serious? And you, the viewer, of course, please be more serious. Subscribe, like, comment in the section below. All your MCs, BCs will be responded by me personally. Thanks for watching, guys.
If you like that, click here to support us and down here to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do check out the other stuff we do like News Laundry interviews, Why So Serious, animations, comics, panel discussions, podcasts which are really big, and much, much more.